Hi, I'm Jeremy, and today I'll show you a BMW tech solution that drives us forward. Our cars are a daily companion, and this happened to me recently. My girlfriend and I were celebrating our anniversary. I had prepared something special, but I was already running late. I need to get her some flowers. Something's not working. Normally, my day would have been over, as I would now have to drive to the BMW garage. In the future, I will be able to save myself this effort and have my car checked with remote diagnosis. First, I will call my BMW Partner.
Hello? Yes, I have a problem with my vehicle. It's not working properly.
He identifies me with my personal information and the vehicle identification number. For data protection purposes, I have to approve his request to access my vehicle. Once I've approved, the service partner can see what's wrong.
I accept it.
The service expert was right. There's a crack in my park sensor. But how does BMW know that I have a crack in the front left park sensor? Until now, you had to visit the BMW garage for every problem. The vehicle was then checked intensively and even wired up for error diagnoses. In the future, this will be much easier. The BMW Group uses the mobile connection of the vehicle. Soon, the process will be started with a click of a mouse. Via cloud, the garage can carry out the remote diagnosis of the vehicle. However, access to the vehicle is only granted after the customer's approval. The diagnostic tree is shown as if the car were standing next to him at the garage. You can see that the park sensor is not working. Next to the error, the tool is already showing repair options. This includes the order commands for the replacement parts. For the remote diagnosis to work, everybody at BMW Group joined forces. This means that IT, engineering, international markets, and BMW dealerships work together. This is direct service. First, I was able to skip the diagnosis appointment at the BMW Partner. Then, my visit took less time because all the parts had been ordered and everything was prepared in advance. As promised, a future tech solution that drives us forwards. See ya!